This is the brand new ASUS ROG Zephyrus Duo 15 SE that was launched last week at CES. This should be the retail packaging that you will get in Malaysia. In our office today is the best variant for this series. This is the RTX 3080 model. So without further ado, I'm gonna unbox this and try out the laptop just a little bit. Okay, let's unbox this absolutely beast of a laptop. The size of the laptop itself shouldn't be all that big. It's only 15 inches, but you do get a bunch of accessories in the box. Okay, right off the bat, I do see a backpack, so let's remove that first. Ooh. Yo, this backpack is absolutely massive. You can probably survive an apocalypse with this backpack. So, not sure if you can see it on camera, but this is quite a heavy-duty backpack. It's got an opening at the top, and yeah, let's see what else is in here. Whoa. Damn. Okay, so I want to get to the other accessories first before I remove the laptop, but it doesn't seem possible. So unfortunately, I will have to take out the laptop first. So, oh, super well packaged with foam. Wow, this is heavy. As you can see, it's brand new, sealed, and oh, this is the Dying Light 2 version. What the hell? It says Dying Light 2 at the bottom. Okay, so yeah, here's the laptop. I'll get back to this in a bit. So here you should also get your power cables. Wow, it's huge. Everything is so huge. This is your charging brick. Yikes. This is your charging brick, people. Yikes. And of course, you get a smaller one in case you want to bring a laptop on the go. The other cables, as well as, let's see what's in this tiny box. A mouse. So you get a very lightweight mouse. It's pretty huge, so oh man, this is awesome. Very nice mouse with a few macro buttons on the side. Yo, there's a joystick on the side. Moving on to the other box that I'm very excited to take out, which is tucked away on the side, which is this ROG Delta Headset. So you get pretty much a complete set, the laptop, the mouse, and your headset. Interestingly, you don't get a webcam because the laptop doesn't actually come with a webcam. You have to get your own, but damn, I'm not gonna unbox this. I'm just gonna unbox the laptop today, so let's move on to that. Okay, so just to elaborate a bit more on the mouse, this is an ROG Chakram, and it's super lightweight, and again, it has this really cool joystick on the side. Really excited to use this, and yeah. I just like to make a correction on the charging adapters. The large adapter that is meant for gaming is a 280 watt charger. Meanwhile, the portable one is the 100 watt adapter. Okay, finally, so let's get into unboxing the laptop itself. Brand new, sealed. Where do I even begin? Okay, here. I need to be super careful. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna... There's a pull tab here, so I have to assume that you have to pull it up like this. Oh yes, there you go. And it lifts up the laptop like this. Awesome. So this is the laptop itself. Absolutely gorgeous. Again, there's more stuff in this box, so let's see what's inside there. I think you get stickers here. ASUS likes to give stickers. Yes. Brochures, manuals, Dying Light 2. Free game, you get free. You get Dying Light 2 for free, guys. So yes, you do get a game that it's not even out yet. It's coming out this year. Dying Light 2 comes free with the ROG Zephyrus Duo 15 SE. You know what? Okay, no stickers, I was wrong. Then you get another pull tab here. Oh, I think this is an palm rest for when you are gaming. So you plop this down just at the bottom of your keyboard, and it's made of silicone and rubber. Very nice. Okay, moving on. So let's do the ASMR. Okay, sides come off. Sides are off. Now the back panel. Back panel comes off with the top. Ah, okay, there you go. It's like unwrapping a present, a very expensive present. So it's finally booted up, but let's take a look at the design a bit. It's all black, all metal, but what's different this time around is the cover. that has this dot mesh design at sort of the bottom gradient here. The top is still the same. It feels like brushed metal, super sturdy, really nice. And the laptop itself weighs about 2.4 kilograms and has a thickness of a little over 2 centimeters, which is not bad for a laptop as powerful as this. So let's take a look at the sides first. You've got vents at the left side as well as on the right. You also get vents on the back. At the bottom, you get more vents, but it's also a very clean look at the bottom. So when it comes to I/O ports, you get 3 USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A ports, a HDMI 2.0B, an Ethernet jack, as well as a micro SD card reader, because this is more of a creator-centric model of the laptop anyways. It's got a DC in as well as audio combo jack as well. You also get one USB 3.2 Type C with DisplayPort 1.4 support and Thunderbolt 3. When it comes to the display, the model that I have here is 15.6 inches with a 4K 120Hz IPS panel, and it's more creator-centric because it has 100% Adobe RGB color space with Pantone validation as well. Now, if you want more of a all-out gamer version of this laptop, there is a 300Hz Full HD panel as well. Now, regardless of which display you get, you still get a very low 3 milliseconds of response time. You get relatively thin bezels on the top and on the sides, but quite a thick chin at the bottom here. Again, there is no webcam, so you will have to get your own. As amazing as the main display is, what makes the whole Zephyrus Duo lineup special is of course the second display. This is the ROG ScreenPad Plus that measures about 14.1 inches and is also 4K, sort of. And this is touchscreen. So what this allows you to do is multitask, both when you are doing work, creative work especially, and gaming as well. Certain games that support the second screen can have certain HUDs or user interface plopped in the second screen here. Now we see that the ScreenPad Plus is angled ever so slightly. Besides offering you better viewing experiences, it also allows better air intake into the laptop as well. ASUS calls this the improved active aerodynamic system that this time pulls in 30% more air into your laptop and disperses it throughout the back. Moving on to the keyboard, you obviously get per key RGB keys here, as well as a touchpad that also works as a digital numpad. Moving on to the best part, the specs. As I mentioned earlier, this model comes with an RTX 3080 graphics card with a Ryzen 9 5900HS. There is a lower end version that comes with an RTX 3070, but that also packs the same CPU. For RAM and storage, this one comes with a 1TB plus 1TB PCIe NVMe SSD plus 32GB of RAM. So you really can't ask for more of a beastly gaming machine. Right, so I'm very eager to try out this laptop, so I'm not gonna say too much more in this unboxing video. Do stay tuned for our full review of the Zephyrus Duo 15 SE coming very, very soon. And like I mentioned earlier, we don't know the official pricing of the laptop yet. Well, that's it for my unboxing today. Let us know what you think about the laptop in the comment section below. Remember to give us a like, subscribe. This is Victor signing off. Bye-bye.